Post-processing is where most of your FEA analysis time disappears. NaxTo changes that with a suite built to accelerate and simplify FEA post-processing. Save 20 to 80% of your post-processing time compared to your current workflow. Cover your usual post-processing without relying on expensive premium licenses. One environment for the solvers you already use: NASTRAN, ABAQUS, OPTISTRUCT, and ANSYS. Python-based automation for pre- and post-processing, accessible to non-programmers, reducing code, predefined functions for common FEA tasks, deep integration with Office, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, so your reports stay in sync with your FEA results. Customizable flows and tools. The software adapts to your engineers, not the other way around. Less repetitive work, more engineering value, less time, less cost. NaxTo.